An admission from the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, STATIN, this evening that it may have to return to the field in a bid to complete the 2022 census. At a media briefing today, STATIN's Director General Carol Coy provided details on some of the challenges census takers have been encountering. She also addressed a long-standing issue of unpaid salaries.
The 2022 Housing and Population Census has been plagued with issues hindering the completion. Speaking at a media briefing on Thursday, Director General Carol Coy revealed that the exercise has only been conducted in 70% of the enumeration districts. But why?
A significant number of persons indicated that they were no longer interested, or they found other means of employment, deemed that the work would be too hard, and some persons failed the minimum training requirement. These issues have had a cascading effect on the operations of the census, including recruitment, training, and payment delays.
Additionally, STATIN says heightened concerns about privacy and the proliferation of gated communities also pose the challenge.
Access to gated communities is a significant problem. Additionally, respondents in some communities were less than cooperative with the census takers and supervisors.
The preliminary count has been completed by contract workers and gaps have been identified. STATIN employees will now be deployed in the field to rectify the gaps.
As we do the assessment, because we will have to see what areas there's the undercounting, those persons will still be going out in the field, and I think some of them are still in the field, but data collection using contract workers, that phase has been completed.
We are in the process right now of determining the post-enumeration activities. So for every round of census that has ever happened in Jamaica, you have the main data collection. Following the main data collection, what usually happens is that there is an assessment of the undercoverage, and if necessary, there are supplemental activities. The census is not complete.
While STATIN moves to address the issues, census takers and supervisors had a burning question. When would they be paid?
I'm looking on the system now that I'm speaking. No payment from STATIN. Census takers calling every day asking about it. And you don't know what is wrong because there has been no communication.
Bear with us, we understand, we know there are challenges, and we're trying our best to ensure that everybody is paid. As long as you did work on the census and your owed funds, the process will follow through and payments will be made. It is taking us longer than usual, and we have experienced some challenges, but we will see to it that every person is paid.
So with many Jamaicans yet to be covered under the census, international partners have been engaged.
STATIN is also receiving technical support from UNFPA, SALADE, and the Statistics Division of ECLAC, and has already hosted one technical assistance mission.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.